Daisy, talking to you after Jai Ho, you have chosen this film. So what made you do that? And did you go to Salman and spoke to him regarding that? Yeah, you have got this role. So what was his reaction? We just want to know.
I had taken a back seat for not doing this movie, but actually Salman was the one who really pushed me. He was the one who convinced me with Vishal that you should do this because the role is completely different from Jai Ho. And as I said that an actor should be open to do all kind of roles. So I really want to push. This is something that I've pushed myself further. So this is not a very safe zone, but again, I wanted to try it, I wanted to do it, so I did it.
Honestly, I don't think he knew for the longest that I was doing this film. So, yeah.
करण, आपका जो किरदार अलोन में भी कुछ इसी तरह का था और इस फिल्म में भी आप अपने कंफर्ट जोन से कभी बाहर निकल के कुछ ऐसा करेंगे क्या?
शायद आपने अलोन देखी नहीं है और शायद आपको ये ट्रेलर समझ नहीं आया, तो क्योंकि ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. अगर एक एक्टर दो फिल्म्स में किस करता है तो उसका किरदार सेम नहीं हो जाता. That's just the way things are shot.
कुछ ब्रीफ करें किस तरह का किरदार इसमें निभा रहे हैं आप?
नहीं समझ नहीं आया मुझे आप क्या कह रहे हैं.
कुछ ब्रीफ करें किस तरह का किरदार निभा रहे हैं इस फिल्म में?
ब्रीफ तो मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा किस तरह का किरदार है. इट्स काफ़ी डिफरेंट शेड्स हैं इस रोल में, जिसके बारे में मैं आपको डिटेल में नहीं बता सकता ऑब्वियसली. तो ये कह सकता हूँ कि इसमें काफ़ी सारी शेड्स हैं जी.
Sharman, yeah. Is it right to say that with this film you are walking out of your comfort zone? And was there a slight tennis match in your mind before taking up this project?
No, there was no confusion in my mind. When the idea of this project was discussed, I was quite sure I wanted to be a part of it. As far as it being a change in terms of what I've been doing, yes it is. I've not done erotic thriller earlier. But the idea is, I think I could have possibly done it 4 years back also and I would have been comfortable. It was just a question of finding the right one. I found it and I am very happy that I was a part of it.
शर्मन, इसी से जुड़ा एक सवाल है कि आपकी फिल्म अगर पिछली फिल्म फ्लॉप होती है या हिट होती है तो उससे कितना फ़र्क पड़ता है अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स पर आपके चूज़ करने पर?
नहीं, उससे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है. फ़र्क मार्केट स्टैंडिंग में पड़ता है. नेचुरली कमर्शियल सिनेमा है, लेकिन मैं कौन सा प्रोजेक्ट करूंगा उसके बाद that doesn't impact my decision.
Okay, Sharman, my question is to you. We saw the song, you know, it is super hot. कितना uncomfortable और comfortable थे आप? As well as you can hear me, it's okay. You know, the song is mind blowing. You have seen the response. Even it's the same question to Zareen. You know, doing a love making scene with front of entire unit. How comfortable or uncomfortable you are?
I think I was extremely comfortable. Also, I think due credit should go to Zareen and the rest of the crew, because it's part of the job. We are professionals. We are here to enact our parts, and which requires a love-making scene. We've gone out and done that as any other scene that one would approach. I am glad there is such hue and cry about love-making scenes in India, because that ensures a good opening for the film. But apart from that, in my mind, it's no big deal. I'll just give it to Zareen.
Sharman? Zareen,
Well, you know, we shot the song towards the end of the film, and by then I think we were quite comfortable with each other and we knew each other. So, and we are actors. I mean, this is part of our job. So it's mechanical.
Sharman, towards your left, here.
Hi.
Sharman, there was some confusion regarding who would be playing your character. Initially it was you, then Gurmeet stepped in, then Gurmeet went out, then you came in. What was it all about?
I don't know the exact issue of what happened with Gurmeet, but I can tell you what happened with me. There were some date issues and they were not working out. We were preponing the film. Eventually, the film did get pushed back and my dates were available and I was asked whether I would still want to be a part of it, and I was a part of it.
Another thing that made news was about you going naked for a scene in the movie. Yeah, nude or what?
Yeah, butt naked is what I had said. I was speaking to a journalist and I had mentioned that if a film of certain aesthetics comes my way and it's something that I feel requires to be done, then I can even go to the extent of going butt naked. Forget kissing scenes, that's hardly an issue. and it was made to, I mean, the highlight was made कि भैया Sharman is going butt naked, but that also suited me. At least people must have read the article effectively.
Karan.
Oh, you're disappointed? You didn't...
No, I think
that's
Karan
what
is
these guys are saying.
disappointed. I'm not disappointed.
No, just kidding. But that's what I said, and that was that.
Karan, you...
Yes, my friend. How may I help you?
You sizzled with Bipasha in Alone. Your fans are eagerly waiting for another outing with Bipasha again on screen. Given the fact that you guys are good friends off screen, so can we, when do we see you guys again in a movie?
How is this related to Hate Story 3? Please tell me.
This is related to you.
Just, no, this whole thing is about Hate Story 3, not about me. I'll give you another question, chal.
No, that is
That's
my
it?
question.
This is deleted. Next.
Hi, Karan. Hi. This is to Karan. Karan, आपने
Hi, Ravi. Hi.
करण, आपने अपना फिल्म करियर अभी शुरू किया है और हमने जो प्रोमो देखा है उससे लग रहा है कि आपका किरदार नेगेटिव है, तो किसी की तरह का एप्रीहेंशन था जब आपने हाँ कहा इस रोल के लिए, और फैंस के मन में आपके लिए खास इमेज है हीरो वाली, तो नेगेटिव किरदार निभा रहे हैं आप शायद इसमें?
जी, एज एन एक्टर जितने डिफरेंट तरीके के किरदार हम निभा पाएँ वो हमारे लिए चैलेंज होता है, और वही अच्छी बात होती है। अगर एक ऑडियंस का परसेप्शन है हमारे बारे में, एक्टर्स के बारे में, और उन्हें वैसे ही रोल्स करने चाहिए और वो वैसे ही रोल्स करते रहे, तो एज एन एक्टर ग्रोथ का कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिलती है। तो व्हेन दिस रोल वाज ऑफर्ड टू मी आई वाज वेरी किक्ड अबाउट इट, क्योंकि इसमें मैं कुछ अलग कर रहा हूँ जो मैंने पहले नहीं किया है। एंड आई थिंक जब लोग देखेंगे तो आई होप दे आल्सो लाइक इट।
Karan, adding to the previous question, straight on your left. बिपाशा का किस तरह का रिएक्शन था इस कैरेक्टर को देखकर?
वो आपको बिपाशा से पूछना पड़ेगा,
वो जब
क्योंकि
मिलेंगे तब
जब आप उनसे मिलेंगे तो आप पूछिएगा। अभी हम लोग हेट स्टोरी 3 की बात करते हैं और उनका रिएक्शन आप उनसे पूछिएगा।
Okay.
शुक्रिया।
Zareen and Daisy, a question common to both of you. You know, we have never seen Salman work with you guys ever again. I mean, I think he has only worked with Katrina, the girls, among the girls that he has launched. So why is it that he has not been repeating you guys in his subsequent
I think, yeah, we're going to use his thing. Please ask Salman about that.
No, I thought you would come up with something new.
Worked with Sonakshi.
Yeah, really inspired by him. At least I am. So I'm going to be using his line.
Daisy, I think you will come up with something original.
Your question is that why he doesn't repeat his heroines, right?
Except for Katrina. I don't think he
No,
has.
he's worked with Sonakshi, he's worked with Asin. Okay. There's your answer.
So when will Daisy and Zareen happen?
Soon, very soon.
डेजी, मेरे सवाल आपसे हैं। आपने इस फिल्म के लिए सलमान से बात की और उन्होंने सजेस्ट किया कि आप ये फिल्म करें। कंगना ने भी सलमान से बात की थी और उन्होंने सजेस्ट किया था कि वो कट्टी बट्टी करे, लेकिन जब अब फिल्म फ्लॉप हो गई है तो उनकी टीम सलमान को ब्लेम कर रही है। तो अगर खुदा ना खास्ता ये फिल्म नहीं चल पाई तो क्या आप सलमान को इसके लिए ब्लेम
हम
करें?
बड़े पॉजिटिव है हमारी फिल्म को लेके, हमारी फिल्म चलेगी।
Karan towards the left. You have romanced both the beauties in the movie. तो
Pardon me, I'm sorry?
You have romanced both the beauties in the movie. So अगर मैं आपको बोलूं कि आप इन दोनों को स्कोर करें out of 10, तो कैसे स्कोर करेंगे?
मैं तो ये तो क्वेश्चन आप बहुत डेंजरस क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं। मैं कुछ को स्कोर नहीं करने वाला हूँ, बट आई कैन जस्ट से दैट आई एम एक्सट्रीमली लकी।
फिर भी अगर स्कोर करना हो तो out of 10.
सही, आप ये जूते पड़वाने वाली बात कर रहे हैं। सॉरी।
Karan, you love story or you hate love story?
Which one is a love story one? I love hate story. Yeah.
I think we'll do a photo.
चलो, hello, thank you. We waiting for the trailer. वो गाना जो है वो we'll play that one more time. शांति, सुनील भैया, है ना? So we'll come back to this. But before that, it's over to you, है ना? हो जाए? Yeah. We'll do that.
Yeah. पहले ग्रुप फोटो कर लो।
अरे दादा, अरे वाली